Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your IRCC account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open up a browser and then search for IRCC login. Then select the first link of canada.ca. Then here, you can scroll down a little bit and you can create an account if you don't have an account yet. And also you can sign in using Canadian Interact sign-in partner or by using the GC key where you need to enter a username and your password. So I'll be using the GC key. So select it. Then this will take you to the login page where you need to enter your username and your password. And once you've done that, simply select sign in. And that's how you log into your IRCC account. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.